Good afternoon, welcome to the Gringo Baker. Today we're going to make some really delicious apple pie crescent rolls. And we start by chopping up 3 apples, adding a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we add 3 teaspoons of brown sugar. All of these teaspoons are rounded teaspoons. Then we're going to add a pinch of salt. Salt helps to bring out the flavor of the other ingredients. Let that cook, stirring it occasionally, and set it aside. After it's cooked, we're going to bring it over, and I like to use a wire potato masher because it's coarser. We have some of the more modern plastic ones with the small holes, and they're great for making applesauce that you don't want to be coarse, but I want this to be coarse. Then we take our Pillsbury Crescent, straighten them out into the triangles that they're supposed to be, and add the cooled applesauce. I added about a 1/4-inch layer to each one, filled it till it got too narrow in the end, and then just rolled them up. As you can see, I didn't roll them tightly because I didn't want to squeeze the applesauce out of them. And honestly, at this point, I'm thinking these are going to taste good. After I got them done and tasted them, they taste great. And the last 2 I didn't fill. I didn't know if my wife was going to like the ones with the apples, so I made her 2 plain ones. And there they are, straight out of the oven. And then I piped cream cheese frosting in a squiggle on the top of them. And I'll put a link up above for this frosting. I made a video on this some time ago. And there they are, all done, and they're great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.